current and resistance, pages 600 up to 602. Our topic, it was about the electric current. We define the electric current as the flow of electric charge. Let me remind you quickly. We defined the electric current before. We said I, it is equal to Q over delta T. Also, we defined the potential difference, the delta V, the voltage. We can say voltage or potential difference. And we said that we have very important relationship. It is called Ohm's law between three variables: current and delta V and resistance. We said that delta V, it is equal to I times R, or you can say R, it is equal to delta V. You can say R, it is equal to delta V over I. All of these we explained before. Also, we said that the Ohm's law, we have to, according to Ohm's law, we have two types of material. One of them, it is called ohmic material, and another one, it is called what? Non-ohmic material. All of these we explained before. We said if we have ohmic material, we will have linear relationship. If we have non-ohmic material, we will have irregular line. All of these we said. Today we will complete section 3 about the resistor. We have one information here. It is interesting information. I'll explain the relationship first, then I will go to your book. We said before from Ohm's law that R, it is equal to delta V over I. Yes or no? What does it mean? For ohmic material, we have constant R, but the delta V and the I will change. Sometimes in your home, you can have just the one type of voltage. You will have 220 only. Looks like in Egypt, we don't have 110, just we have 220. In America, in United States, they have just 110. So here, delta V, it is constant. And the current, it will be constant. So what will be changed here? R. Excellent. So you can have certain device, you can have circuit board with different type of resistor, because in the formula we said we will have two variables change to each other. Here the delta V, it will be constant, and the changing in R will be due to the changing in I. Do we have between R and I direct relationship or inverse relationship? Last time we explained it, factors that affect resistance. So between R and I, we have what? Resistance or flow. So direct or indirect? Say yes, it is inverse relationship. So as we have more electric current, the resistance, it will be less, and the opposite is correct. What I want you to study from this page, just I want you to study the title. Just I want you to study the title. What do we have here? Resistor can be used to control the amount of current in a conductor. So here we have a relationship between R, the resistance, and the amount of current I. Direct or inverse? Inverse relationship. So I want you just to study the title and to understand that we have inverse relationship between the electric current and the resistance. Done? Okay, you can study these two lines also, explain the relationship. According to the definition of resistance, if delta V remains constant, the current decrease when the resistance increase. This one explain the relationship. Done from this page? Okay, now we will go to page 601. We have in it practice on the formula for Ohm's law. We will be specific to cover the ideas. Look to number 1. What do we have as unknown? The current is unknown, so we will take number 1. Number 2, current also, it will be unknown, so it will be as a homework. I will not do it, okay? Number 3, it is two things. We have the electric current also, it is unknown, so I don't want it, even it is not homework, cancelled, okay? Number 4, I will do it. The potential difference, it is unknown, so I will do with you 1 and 4. 2 is homework. Let us look to the others. 5, what is the resistance? So I will do it with you. So here we have 1 the current unknown, 1 the potential difference, and 1 the resistance. And number 5, the current also is unknown, so I don't want it cancelled. Okay, so you have just 1 as a homework. Let us do them. Here what do we have in number 1? Yalla, all of you with me girls, your calculator with you, your copybook, your pen. So here number 1, here the given is the delta V. Delta V is given, it is equal to 1.5 volt. Done. And the resistance equal to 3.5 ohm. The R, it is equal to 3.5 ohm. What is unknown? The electric current is unknown. Which formula you will use? The Ohm's law formula. The formula states that we can draw here triangle. The triangle, it is about what? R equal delta V over I. So delta V up, I down, and R down. What I want, what is unknown? I. So the I equal to what? Delta V over R. Delta V over R. So here it will be delta V, how much? It is given, how much? 3.5 or 35? 3.5. So it will be 3.5 over 1.5, and you will get the electric current. Here you can do it in your calculator. Did you remember the unit of electric current? It is ampere. Bravo. And it's a simple, it is letter A capital. Done? So easy. Okay, let us do the other one. Number 4. Number 2, we said it is what? Homework. Okay. Number 4, the electric current is given. The electric current, it is given I equal to 6.25. This one, it is number 4. Okay, ampere. If the resistance, it is given, the R is given, it is 17.6 ohm. What is unknown? Delta V. Okay, same triangle. I will rewrite it to memorize. Memorize with me girls. Here delta V and R and I. Delta V is unknown, so the formula it will be I times R. So it will be IR. The resistance, it is given 17.6, and the electric current given 6.25. So here it will be 6.25. You can use your calculator or find it. What is the unit? Potential difference unit? Volt. Excellent. V capital. Done? It is so easy. Okay, last one, we will do number 5. The resistance is unknown, and the electric current, it is given, and the potential difference is given. Okay, number 5, the electric current given 2.5 ampere, and the delta V, it is given 115 volt. The R is unknown. From the triangle, R equal to, yes, R equal to delta V over I. So it will be 115 over 2.5, isn't? Yes, 2.5. Use your calculator or find it. The unit for the resistance is ohm. Okay, I will upload the final answers for all of them. Done, girls? Okay, we will complete in the coming video.